Guangzhou SIPUXIN Light Industry Machinery Company Limited is an intelligent manufacturer engaged in cosmetics, chemical, pharmaceutical, food machinery. Main products including vacuum homogenizing emulsifier, mixing tank, water treatment, storage tank, filling, capping, labeling machines. SIPUXIN have passed CE quality certificate. Our equipment is in accordance with hygienic standard of cosmetics production. SIPUXIN is an infinitely innovation enterprise with social commitment. Our modern factory occupies 8,500 square meter. Agents in Israel, Ethiopia, Saudi Arabia, Dubai, and America. We have professional hardware, software facilities with precise testing processes, rigorous process control, and bringing clients professional and real featured models in 2,000 square meters modern showroom. Our professional sales team is able to help clients select the most suitable model equipment. Furthermore, we are able to customize new equipment according to clients' special request. We support customers' one-stop turnkey service from GMP purification room decoration, formula raw material, packing material, equipment model selection, machine layout design, abroad installation, operation training, hand-to-hand guide clients produce the first batch products. For cream sauce line, liquid washing line, perfume line, toothpaste line, wax line, lipstick line, urea fertilizer line, we will keep on repaying customers' care via exquisite craftsmanship and continual improvement in product design, manufacturing, quality, and service. Choosing SIPUXIN machinery. Wise choice, make success.